Happy Friday, guys. Are you pumped? You made it through a whole week. So today is our quiz over rate of change. So we are going to take this quiz. It's only about 5 or 6 questions, 6 or 7 maybe. We'd like for you to use a calculator, and we'd like for you to go get a pen or a pencil, something to write with right now, because you're going to have to do some calculating, or you could have Desmos open to do the calculating in there. But we really would like you to not just do it in your head, because there's a lot of numbers and there's a lot of room for mistake. And we want you to start the quarter off with a really strong quiz grade. So the first question is, on Black Friday, Sarah sold 45 pair of shoes in 3 hours and 92 pair in 7 hours. On average, how many shoes did Sarah sell? So take a minute to answer the following questions on this problem. Here's the next one. So we'd like you to find the rate of change for this graph. Remember, we want to find perfect points, okay? And I want you to be very careful looking at the scale. So be very careful looking at the scale of the X and the Y axis. Number 3, a family is traveling from their home to a vacation resort hotel. The table below shows their distance from home as a function of time. So here's a table. I want you to find the rate of change using this table. All right, there's another table. The following table shows Kings Island attendance after the park was open for a certain number of hours. Find the average number of people who entered the park. Let's take a minute, find the rate of change, answer the following questions. Here is another graph. So we're looking at the cost of renting a car. Let's take a minute, make some observations, try to find some perfect points, and see what you think. On the first snow day of the school year, Johnny went outside to make snowballs for the neighborhood snowball fight. In the first 5 minutes, Johnny made 28 snowballs. At the 15th minute, his mom made him come inside for lunch, and he had made 43. On average, how many snowballs did he make? So find the rate of change. You're going to have to set up something to be able to do that and answer the following question. Here's another graph. So amount of dough prepared. So take a minute and answer the next question.